how to change group name in Zangi. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change group name in Zangi, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open up the Zangi Messenger application on your device, and then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the page where you can see some icons. Ensure you select the chat icon. This is because your groups are located on your chats page, so click on the chat icon. After clicking on the chat icon, you can see your personal chat as well as your group chats here. So the next thing is to navigate through to the chat or to the group whose name you would like to change. Then after navigating to the group, tap the group name to open the group profile info. On the group profile info page, scroll down and then select edit group name. All right, edit group name. Now once you click on edit group name, you will be asked to enter the new name for your group, and then click on save. And then once you save it, the group name will be updated for all members. It's very simple. Like I said, just navigate through to the group, click on the group to open up the groups page. On the groups page, click on the group name, and then you'll be taken to the infos page. On the infos page, scroll down and select edit group name, and then once you've done that, enter your new name, click on save, and just like that, the name of the group will be changed. Thanks for watching once again, and have a very good time changing your group's name.